Go.
Oh,
No.
Kiggies.
My cheeseburger. My cheeseburger. Get down. Get down. This is what I deal with every time I eat. Negan steals my food. You'd think I'd be a thinner human being with this little.
Oh my gosh, it came out of nowhere. Oh my goodness, so many Kiggies. They just want some McDonald's. Give them a. Honestly, at this point, just like get an extra cheeseburger for the cats. Just be like, here, go have fun, knock yourselves out. You know, I got extra pickles for you and everything. Oh boy. I feel like this is a fail waiting to happen. I'm nervous. Oh god, that's the. Oh, yep, there you go. I saw that coming. That's so unfortunate. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's so sad. Oh, the handle broke. Oh man. I mean, I knew from the jump that that was gonna be bad. That thing was so full. I thought he was gonna like, you know, try and toss it and like go everywhere. But I also was I figured, you know, something was gonna happen to that handle. Cause that handle was not about to hold all of that weight. No way. I don't know what that food was, but it kind of looked immaculate. So I'm really sad that, you know, he didn't get to do the flip, but maybe next time. Maybe get a bigger pan next time.
If I can order a human, I'd eat him too.
Oh, that's so funny. That is comedy gold. Oh my goodness. You cannot make that stuff up. Oh, that's hilarious. I want to have an encounter like that. That's just life's simple pleasures. Just one of those weird off the cuff moment, just like, man. I kind of wish I was at that restaurant at that very moment. That would have been so funny. I love that. What is going on, all you beautiful, wonderful people of the internet? Welcome back to Top 10 Central. I am your host for this one, Bree Room, and today we are reacting to funny times that food let people down. Food is constantly letting me down because I don't have any in my house because I haven't gone grocery shopping in about a month because I'm broke. Adulting. So fun. You know what else is so fun? The videos that we've got to watch today. But before we get into them, make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. You've gotten your notification bell turned on. You've left a like on this video. And leave a comment down below telling me what your favorite food is. Mine's soup. What's yours? I want to know. Let's move on.
Okay.
Oh, why'd you gotta do that to the kid? Me too. I feel that. I feel you. Yeah, I'm disappointed too. The look that this child gave, really just the disappointment, the rage. She really like, seriously? Really? You gonna do me like that? I love that. Kids' facial expressions just get me every time. Oh. Oh my gosh, I know that moment all too well. Like, you're having a rough day and everything's going wrong, but then you finally get that one thing, the one thing that you were looking forward to the most, and then that also just messes up and you just sit there and you have to just think about life for a second. Just deep breaths. You don't want to scream. Just the way he put his chopsticks down was like, that was the moment of absolute defeat. He's like, you know what? I'm going back to bed. Today's just not happening. I feel that on a spiritual level. I really do. Oh my god, it's my boy Gordan.
What do you want to know from me? Ask me.
Well, how is it? Oh no, look at that face.
This is not pad thai at all.
It's not
This is
my
not
time.
at all. No.
Pad thai have to be sweet, sour, and salty.
I think that doesn't taste too bad. It's not perfect.
For you.
I mean, I feel like he'd definitely be the expert. I mean, he took like the tiniest little bite and was like, it's not it. If it's not bussin', it doesn't count. I want a good pad thai now. Oh my god, I'm so hungry. Pad thai, I haven't had pad thai in a long time.
It's fresh coconut juice. You wanna try it? Do you like it? Is it good?
Oh, poor kid.
Do you want more?
Oh my gosh, that's like when your mom gives you something for dinner and she's like, oh, is it good? I spent so much time making it. And you're like, it's great, Mom, thank you. Thank you so much. But it's just like a really horrible meatloaf with like ketchup on it or something. I don't know, it's just, you wanna be nice, you wanna pretend like, you know, you're enjoying it. Like it's like a 5-star meal, like a Michelin star restaurant experience, but it isn't. However, I don't see how you can hate coconut water. Coconut water do be bussin' though. Oh boy, I'm scared. What is the motive here? The shock. I saw that coming. I really did. This guy is sitting right next to like a decent amount of water. I feel like if he had relocated to somewhere a little bit drier, that wouldn't have happened. Also, he was kind of like holding his plate or bowl or whatever over, like away from him. I'm like, you're not taking good enough care of your food, sir. Is that a hot dog? Oh, the goat. Oh, not the goat.
比较高级了吧？
The goat really wants a snack. You better eat that fast. He's coming in hot. Oh, yep, there you go. Carbs. No, the ending is so funny. He's just chewing right next to the guy's face like, oh, you missed this? Got him. Oh my goodness, I can't trust animals. Like when it comes to like eating outside, if any kind of creature tries to come near me, we're squaring up. Because if it's me and my food versus you, you're losing. I'm sorry, not happening. I will fight to the death. The tiniest little sliver. Like, enjoy that, you know? It's like the same idea as like, don't spend it all in one place and they give you like $5. Oh my goodness, what are you supposed to do with that tiny little slab of meat? Like, what are we doing? I can barely taste it. What in the world? Yeah, who approved of that? Who thought that was a good idea? I've never seen a conveyor belt look like that before. Uh-oh. 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 What's going on? What's happening? I'm scared. Oh no! Oh, he's so sad. Oh man, oh I want to give this guy a hug. I'm so sorry. Oh man, I really hope your day goes better. I would leave that guy a tip just for his troubles. Just, you know, to lift his spirits a little bit. The walk down the stairs, just like heartbreaking. He's like, oh man, I'm so sorry. I mean, it is on you, I will say. Like you did drop the thing, but you know, like you're probably having a rough day. Being a delivery person definitely seems like a hard job, so I'm so sorry. Oh no! Oh my god, why is that the scene from Endgame? With the taco. Hold your food together. Do not let that go. If there's anything that you're gonna take from this video, is that food is precious. Food is from the gods. Just heaven sent. And you gotta keep that near and dear to your heart. Alright, don't let anybody touch your food. Don't let anybody steal your food. If you're on a date with somebody and they start reaching over, across, and taking your food, you just get out of here. Stop it. Anyways, that is all the videos that we have to react to today. I'm so sad because, you know, these were actually kind of funny. I thoroughly enjoyed myself. However, I'm very hungry, so I'm going to try and round up some food for myself, and hopefully my food doesn't blow away in the wind, because that would be very unfortunate. I will see you guys at some other point on the internet. Have a wonderful rest of your day, friends. Bye! Alright, what is this? Funny times that food let people down. Food lets me down every time. Thanks guys, thanks for showing me food when I have none. I love your sauce. That, oh. Now that I'm thinking about the words that just left my mouth, I don't know about that one. What up, simps? You're welcome for that last sentence.